Inspired from the show, The Men Who Built America, one of our Bharatavani team member has envisaged a series, The Men and Women Who Built India.
Bring my wife the gun. But please, don't let her hurt me now. That girl is just having fun. He said, I can't take you to heaven. I can't save your soul. I can't promise forever. Hey, yeah, save my soul. Hey, now, whoa, save my soul. Oh, yeah.
From the American show, we will understand how the America business or the industries have evolved, how the competition rules the world and the opportunities, what qualities or attitude the modern entrepreneurs and tycoons of America have inherited from their counterparts in the past era. The show clearly explains who are all the visionaries contributed for the development of America in different fields, in their own ways and by their own methods. That whole show describes the pride US bears, how it had grown itself, what status an individual American holds on the world stage. On similar lines, the series, The Men and Women Who Built India, gives a glimpse of how India has created its character on the world stage. Who are all the great people who had defined the character of India and influenced every Indian from time to time. This show focuses on what legacy India or an Indian has imbibed and maintaining in day-to-day life. The series does not go like a complete biography, but we will give our perspective on how did these men and women have influenced the Indian history. Not specific to one age or generation, as in American show. Here we focus on the complete history of India, Bharat. From Vedic age to AI period, so here, we will travel with Sri Rama and Sri Krishna, then Chanakya and Chandragupta, slowly towards Gandhiji and Subhash Chandra Bose, then to modern visionaries like Vikram Sarabhai and Abdul Kalam, and many more. Thank you for watching, and any feedback or suggestion will be appreciated.